a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Park and Luna Island. According to scientific studies and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces and erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever prepared to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters, which translates to 1,075 feet versus 120